Hey guys, 2005 Honda Accord. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the steering gear. Okay, as you can see, first thing we're gonna take out the tires, both sides, and then we're gonna remove the tie rod in from both sides. As you can see, already remove it. Okay, then we're gonna go inside the car and we're gonna remove this part here. Okay, after removing that cover, we're gonna remove this 10mm bolt here. Okay, so let me remove that. Okay, then we're gonna have to remove this part here, this bolt here, these two bolts, and this one here. So it's gonna be 3 on each side. Because in this case, I'm gonna have to lose the frame down. Okay, then we're gonna have to remove this plate cover here. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna remove this 10mm bolt from the power steering pressure hose. Okay, so let me remove that. Okay, so then we're gonna remove the lines, the power steering pressure line and the return line from the Okay, so then we're gonna remove the lines, the power steering pressure line and the return line. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna remove the bracket that is holding the racket pinion from the right side. This one here. Okay. Then we're gonna remove the bolt from the racket pinion, the left side. Okay. Then we're gonna come here and we're gonna take the other bolt from the rack and pinion because we can remove that one from the bottom. I don't know if you guys be able to see it, but it's that one there in the middle of the line. We need to take that bolt out. Okay, already remove all the bolts. You can see it's already loose, the rack and pinion. Now we're gonna lose the bolt from the frame. We're gonna load the frame down so we can have space, so we can remove the rack and pinion. Okay. 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 To take the rack and pinion, you're just gonna have to remove these 4 bolts from the engine mount. Okay. Okay. As you can see, I already have the new part. So let me put it in place. Okay. As you can see, I already put the new rack and pinion in place. Now we're gonna put the bolts on the rack and pinion. Okay. Then we're gonna put this bracket here, the other side. Okay. So let me put the bolts. Okay. Then we're gonna put the 4 bolts on the frame. We're gonna tighten the frame. Okay. Gonna put the 4 bolts and tie the frame in place. Okay. Okay. After doing that, we're gonna put these 4 bolts from the engine mount. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna put the lines in place. So I already put them in place. Now let me tie them. Okay, now we're gonna tie the rack and pinion bolts. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna put together the steering wheel with the steering column. Okay. As you can see already, put it back together. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna put back together the tie rods. Okay. As you can see, I already put it in. Okay. Now we're gonna put this part here. This part from the frame. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna put the bolts on this heat cover here. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna put the fluid. Okay, I already put the fluid. Now she's gonna put the tires, and that's about it. That's how to replace the rack and pinion on 2004 Honda Accord. That's it. If you guys like the videos, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.